This one Chrome extension is a game changer and it is going to change the way you look at Salesforce today. If you are a Salesforce administrator or a Salesforce developer, then this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to give you 3 reasons why I love this extension so much. Enough of suspense. The one extension that you must download right now is called the Salesforce Inspector. So step 1 is to come to your Chrome App Store and type in Salesforce Inspector. You will be presented with a lot of results. The first result, the Salesforce Inspector, is what you must download as an extension to your Chrome. My absolute favorite feature of Salesforce Inspector is that I can see the data along with the API names of the field. If I click on this arrow on the right of my screen, there you go, I can see show all data button. Let me click on it and show you what this is. So as you can see, I can see every API, every field name on this object, and I can see what value it was populated with. So let me search name. As you can see, the account name, right? This is the label, this is the API name, and the name of the account, the value that has been populated is called the Ohana Inc. I can even double click on it and change the name of this account right from the screen. And this is where it becomes extremely powerful. Let me click on save, and that's it. The name of the account is now Sujay Nadkarni. Salesforce Inspector is also extremely helpful in writing SQL queries. Again, I'm going to click on this button, click on data export, and let's try to create a SQL query, or let's query the account from. So as I'm typing, Salesforce Inspector is giving me recommendations of the objects that I can use. Okay, so I'm going to select account. Now let's say I want to use name. Again, when I click here and type comma, it is going to give me a list of all the fields that I can choose from the account object. So let me say name. Again, when I type name, I can see all the fields that I can use to query this particular account. Okay. We say industry. There you go. Select ID, industry from account, and let me minimize this and let me click on export. And there you go. I have the ID, I have the industry. From this point onwards, I can copy all this information in an Excel format, copy CSV, or even copy JSON. This is the output of the SQL query that we used as part of the data export functionality, right? So we wrote a SQL query where it said select ID, industry from account. Now I want to make a couple of updates for maybe a couple of accounts, and I want to upload it to Salesforce. So let's see how we make that possible. I don't need column A, so I'm going to delete this column. Let me call this, the first one, consumer. Let's say this is communications. This is the only update that I want to make, so I am going to delete everything else. That's it, and I am going to save this file. We are performing an update on the account, so I'm going to keep this as is. This is my file. All I'm doing right now is just copying, Control-C, and pasting this information here. And when I do that, it allows me to now click on import. So I'm going to click on import here. So I'm going to click on import. That's it. Now you can see that the information for these two accounts have been updated to consumer and communications successfully. So fair warning, with great power comes great responsibilities. And as you saw, this tool is extremely powerful. So make sure that you use this tool
very carefully. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. It's a new channel, so your love, your support will help us grow and help me to create video and content that will help serve the Salesforce community. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon in our next video.